Primetime news this evening. Authorities outline response to complaints about inhumane conditions on farm work program. Calls for anti-corruption courses in schools. And Clarendon families make fresh appeal for help to find 2 missing fishermen.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious, and with a preview of what's to come in the business news, my fellow lady in red, Andrea Chisholm, is here with a preview.
Well, Janella, gas prices are going down tomorrow, but all other categories of fuel are going up, and I'll tell you by how much in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. And for a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Jermaine Brown.
Well, we're at the Wicked this evening. The Caribbean Premier League proper, if you will, has gotten underway. And the Jamaica Talawas, they're facing the defending champions, St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots. We'll give you the details and updates a bit later on.
I smell victory for the Talawas, guys. I don't know. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the inclusion of anti-corruption education on the school curriculum?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.